Welcome to your billing dashboard. Here, you'll be able to manage and edit each of your subscriptions inside the account. If you have additional products, you'll see them here on the right-hand side. Your billing plan name will show up here on the left-hand side with the amount you're paying per month. Below this, you'll be able to modify or cancel. You'll also have the ability to reach out if you have a billing question with the team. Below this, you'll see when the next invoice is scheduled to occur. If you click on Payments in the upper left-hand corner, you'll be able to see your payment method, tax information, billing information, and payment history. You'll be able to see invoices and charges, and if you click on the View button on any one of these transactions, you'll be able to see additional details for that charge. Next, you can click on Wallet and Transactions. Here, you can see your wallet balance, which is the total amount that you have inside of your wallet at this time. You can come in here and edit your auto recharge amount, and you can choose when it is recharged. For example, if the auto recharge is set to $50, when the balance is lower than $10, you will receive a charge for $50 whenever your total balance drops below $10. In the upper right-hand corner, you can also manually add a balance by clicking on Add Balance. You can then choose the amount and choose to pay and upload that additional balance to your total wallet balance. Below here, you can click on the product breakdowns and choose additional types of products inside your account. For example, if you're using email, you will be able to see the total number of transactions and the amount that you have spent during the month. You can also click on a detailed transaction, which will break it down in more detail for your account. If you don't think anything is showing up inside the account or there's additional transactions that may have just occurred, click on the refresh button on the right-hand side for wallet transactions or on the right-hand side next to add balance for your wallet balance. This is the billing dashboard.